If you're getting a GOG error that says disk access, don't worry. This is usually a simple permissions issue, and in this video I'm going to show you the quickest fix. This is a really common problem when GOG Galaxy doesn't have the right permission to write files to your system, and the good news is that you can often solve it in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and gaming guides. First, go to your desktop and locate the GOG Galaxy client icon. Once you find it, right-click on the icon to open the menu. From that menu, look for the option that says Run as Administrator. This is important because it gives GOG Galaxy elevated permissions, which can help it access the disk properly when downloading or updating a game. Click Run as Administrator and allow the app to open with admin rights. After that, wait for GOG Galaxy to fully launch, then try downloading the game again. In many cases, the disk access error disappears immediately once the client is running with administrator permission. If the download starts working, that means the issue was related to restricted access and you've successfully fixed it. If you still see the error, make sure you're launching the correct client and that Windows isn't blocking it with another permission prompt. But for most users, simply running GOG Galaxy as administrator is enough to get the download working again. So to quickly recap, right-click the GOG Galaxy desktop icon, choose Run as administrator, and then retry the game download. That's the fastest fix for the GOG disk access error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more simple fixes just like this.